Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to access backed up Google Photos. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Utilizing the Google Photos application provides a user-friendly means of accessing your backed up photos. And here's a comprehensive guide to navigating through the app. Step 1. Commence by launching the Google Photos app installed on your device and make sure your turn on backup is enabled, and we have guides for this one too. Step 2. Confirm that you are signed in with the specific Google account where your photos are being securely backed up. And now let's navigate to the Photos app. Within the app interfaces, direct your attention to the navigation tabs at the bottom. Specifically, tap on the Photos tab to gain access to an overview of all your stored photos. And now, let's access backed up photos. Within the Photos section, engage with the gallery by scrolling through the visual content. This allows you to effortlessly locate and view the photos that have been successfully backed up to your Google account. By following these steps within the Google Photos app, you can seamlessly explore and enjoy the convenience of accessing your entire collection of backed up photos. This user-centric approach ensures a straightforward experience for those who wish to view their cherished memories conveniently stored in a Google Photos ecosystem. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.